Hey guys, so I am back. So this is going to be a video on this hair. If y'all want to see how I did it, super easy, okay? Keep on watching. Okay guys, so this hair is from Beauty Forever. This is the box. They did send some goodies, which I really didn't need much of nothing for this wig. But you know, these kind of things always come in handy. You have your melting band, elastic bands, you know, with the Velcro strap. And then I also got some wig caps, 2 sets of wig caps. And these are like those melted type of wig caps that are like really thin. I didn't use one. I got another melting band, a cheetah printed one. I think this is a makeup brush, like a little travel, and then some eyelashes. So super good goodies in the bag. So with this wig, I did it super simple. Now this is a frontal wig, so you definitely have parting space, and you could do some different things with this wig. Sorry if y'all can't really see, but y'all will see me in the video, like what I do and everything. But with this hair, I believe it is a body wave wig. Let me see. So on the paper it says it's a 13x4 transparent lace wig, and yeah, this is a body wave. I'm not sure of the exact color. I will have the info listed down below. But yeah, with body wave hair, y'all know usually like that really pretty wave that it has, you can never really get it to stick. But since I did just color this wig since I didn't bleach the knots on this wig, and I just used some makeup to cover the knots, I didn't have to wash this wig and everything, because you know, like usually after you like wash it, you kind of lose the wave. Like it's not as wavy like when it's fresh out of the box. So I just basically plucked the wig, used some makeup, and then I was able to still have this body wave look. So you can rock it like this, and even probably after you wash it, you could probably do some scrunching and still get this kind of look. But basically I just use a little bit of mousse, very little, and like a wide tooth comb, and then I kind of scrunch it just to give it this messy, wavy body wave kind of look. And I think it looks real good and like super effortless and easy. So yeah, stay tuned for the video if y'all want to see me install it. And the lace is super laid, and it's like nice and snatched and tight, but I didn't use any adhesive or anything like that. So keep on watching. Okay dolls, so this is how the wig looks. You can see that it does have an elastic band sewn in the wig that is adjustable, so it will hold the wig nice and snug. This is a frontal wig, but it still fit nice and snug with the band in the wig, so I didn't actually have to like spray it down or anything. And also on the sides, it fits perfectly like right on top of my ear, where usually I would have to go in and cut off excess lace. This wig just fits my head perfectly. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and just cut the lace off. I am using my scissors to do so. These are sewing scissors, so they are really sharp and they're little, so they are very precise. And also I am cutting in a zigzag type of motion, more jagged, not just straight across. You can see what I'm doing, and you can see that the scissors are kind of like rocking back and forth. So this is going to give the lace more of a jagged appearance instead of being straight across, and that way it just kind of like blends in better versus if you just were to cut it straight across. So I want y'all to also look at the lace, like where I have cut it off and I'm pulling it and holding it in my hand. The top part where I have cut, you can see all of those little jagged edges and everything, and how the lace is cut. Like here I'm trying to show y'all that you can see that it's not just a straight smooth line. It's giving more of that jagged kind of look, and this also just like allows your lace to look more seamless and not really show as much. So yeah, then I'm just gonna go work my way all the way around and cut over the ear. I didn't have to cut off any hair or anything, like I was saying, because it was a perfect fit. So it's basically just cutting off all of the excess lace and any little hair, you know, that I accidentally cut. But other than that, I didn't have to part off and cut for it to fit on top of my ears perfect or anything like that. And with this hair, I was loving this messy wave kind of look, so I did want to preserve that without having to go in and do any additional curls or anything. So you can see here I'm just playing around with the hair, and then I decided to kind of like push the hair over, and I was going for like a flip over kind of vibe. I played around with it, and I also kind of like did a part, and I was trying to see if I wanted to do like a ponytail at the top or something like that. The lace is really good and it just blends in really nice, especially since I did apply makeup on the inside of the lace to hide the knots and everything like that, and it just blends in with my skin tone and everything really perfectly. So y'all can kind of see there how the hair looks when it is parted. But I did decide to just kind of like flip the hair over where there wasn't a part at all. And then with this hair, because it is a little frizzy whenever I, you know, combed it out and everything like that, to tame the frizz, I'm just going to use some wrapping mousse like what I would use to do like my baby hairs or whatever. So I'm just going to put this on the ends of the hair first, and then I'm going to rake a large comb through the hair that has, you know, more separated teeth, a wide tooth comb, to just work the product into the hair, and also scrunching it as well so that I can have that nice little wave kind of look. So you can see here I put a little bit more on the hair, and then I'm taking my wide tooth comb, and then I'm just going to continue to scrunch and apply the product wherever I see that I need it. Like here you can see the ends were a little frizzy and not just like giving, because they look like they need to be defined and like they're a little bit dry. So I am going to take some of that mousse and then just comb it through and work it in, and then also just scrunch it with my hands. The mousse is really lightweight, and it's not like making the hair weigh down or not giving the appearance of like if I were to spray water or just wet the hair down a whole lot. It's just really more so lightweight and just defining the wave pattern of this hair. You can see here how it looks whenever I'm just combing it in, and then I'm also going to scrunch it a bit to get that curl or wave in the hair to really pop nicely. So yeah, I thought that it was really cute and messy like this. Like this definitely gives me perfect for like summertime, going to the beach, the pool, or just, you know, if you don't feel like doing a whole lot, of course you can do this kind of messy simple look anytime. But I think that the curls slash waves just look really cute, versus just wearing your hair straight all the time, or you don't have to go in and curl your hair or roll it or anything like that. Like this is just a super simple, easy method. And I can remember back in the day having some hair that had like this loose wave and rocking my sew in and being able to just fix it like this and be able to go out really easy and have that really nice wave to it. So this is how the hair looks. It's nice and long and really pretty. I think I got a 30-inch, but I will have the info listed down below for y'all. This color is so pretty. It's kind of giving like a ginger moment. So yeah, and then I go in with my hot comb because I did want it to still look polished but messy at the same time. So I'm just going to push this section back. I feel like the lace is really giving. I did pluck it, but not too much, like overly plucking it. Like, you know, it still looks good. It gives scalp, but it's not overly plucked, you know, where it's no hair left. But yeah, it's real cute. So stay tuned for the outro. I'm really loving it. I love the color, and the hair is nice and full, and it's long, girl. Okay, so check out Beauty Forever. Okay. Okay, y'all, so this is the completed look of the hair. I just wanted to keep it really simple. I really didn't want to put like curls in this hair. I mean, like, it would be really cute with curls, but I just didn't feel like doing all of that. And I was like, the little wave that this wig got is kind of given if I can like tone down the frizz, because it was kind of looking a little frizzy and not put together like after I combed it out. But I mostly just used some of this mousse like on the ends to help kind of like tame the ends, and then also a little bit through the wig, and like I said, a wide tooth comb to just kind of like rake it through, you know, where it's just a little bit of product and then doing a little bit of scrunching. And it dries super fast because I'm not like spraying the hair down with water or anything. But yeah, you can do a lot of styles with this wig because this is a frontal. But yeah, I do love the color of it, but I did keep it super duper simple in this video. So yeah, super simple. Just put the wig on, cut off the lace, and then did a little bit of mousse to just tame the hair a bit. And flip the hair over. I didn't even do any baby hairs because I feel like it's just kind of like, it looks cute. Like, can y'all see? So yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this wig. If y'all have questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, dolls.